we are going to discuss about multi-level inheritance using some real-world examples and then some sample program. So first, what is inheritance? Inheritance means when a class extends properties from another class, that is called inheritance. Multi-level means a type of inheritance. Here there could be n number of classes. These classes would be arranged in a level manner. The final, which is the last class which extends the previous class, can access all the properties of the previous n number of classes. For example, here class A, class B, class C. Class C is the most derived class, so class C extends class B extends class A. So since class C extends class B, class C can access all the properties of class B. Class B can access all the properties of class A. So indirectly, class C can extend properties of class B and also class A. So we have related this scenario with a real world problem. So animal class. So in our example, animal class, human class and literate human class. There are three classes. For the first class is called animal. So most of the animals can eat. So it has the method called eat. So and then human class. Human class extends animal class. So class human extends animal. So here the human has a specific method called run, and it also has the human class has its own method called run method, and since it extends animal class, it can also access the eat method which is present in the animal class. So once again, this extension would work only if the access modifiers are correct. So there are n number of access modifiers like private, public, protected, etc. Only if the access modifiers allows, it can access the properties of the previous class. So we have already covered about the access modifiers in the previous videos. If you haven't watched, please go and watch that video and then come to this video. So another class is called literate human. Literate human class extends human class. Since it extends human class, it can access the properties of human class. Since human class extends animal class, it can access the properties of animal class. So indirectly, literate human class can access the properties of human class, and also class, since it extends human class, it can access the properties of human class. Since human class extends animal class, human class can access the properties of animal class. So indirectly, literate human class can access the properties of human class and also animal class. So literate human has its own method called read method. Indirectly, it can access run method and also eat method only if the access modifiers are correct. So let's come to the main method. Here we are trying to create an object for literate human class. So and then what we are trying to do is we are trying to access all the three methods using literate human object. Since literate human class extends human class extends animal class, literate human object can access all the three methods. So eat, run and then read. So if we run this program, you could see the following output, like reading, eating, running and then reading. If I am trying to create human class object, and then I am trying to if I am trying to access read method from human class object, then it will try to throw an error because human class doesn't have that method. That's why it's throwing the error. So this is the simplest explanation of multi-level inheritance. Thanks for watching this video.